Yeah.
Okay. So we're trying to find the answer to this problem. Basically, there's this golfer dude. He's hitting the ball off somewhere, and it hits here a certain distance. We're unsure. That's what we're trying to find, away from the flag. Now, our main objective is to find this section, which we will do now. So first thing I like to do is just put the thing there. We'll talk about this line soon, and then I like to put down the triangle. Now the ball was moving at 40 meters per second, which we'll explain by this because it's going this certain way, and at a 50-degree angle. Now, what we have to do is cos, which is just to find the x amount of thing is to find the v, cos, and the degrees. So you input 40 cos and 50 into your calculator, regulated of course, and you get 25.7 degrees. You do the same for this side, but with sine, and you get 30.6 degrees. Now we have to find the initial, which is basically what I did here with like this scratch mark. The initial is where it starts. Yeah. Oh, this might be acceleration. My bad. The initial is basically where it starts out. So basically, since if we take it like a graph, the golfer is starting right here. So the answer is 0, 0. So basically, for this problem, initial is just non-existent. Then we have to find the A part of this, which is acceleration. Since we aren't accounting for stuff like air resistance, that kind of stuff, X will always remain 0. But there's always a constant one that makes all objects fall. That is gravity. We take gravity, and since the problem's literally asking us to divide by 2, we'll just make it negative. We'll just make it not negative. Yeah, negative actually. We'll make it 4.905. Now you just input all of these things into the problem, which we do here. X equals 2.57 times t plus 0 over 2 t squared. Now since this is literally being divided and then multiplied by 0, this becomes non-existent. It's just gone. So then it becomes 2.57 times t. Now, here's the thing. We don't know t yet. Not at all. We don't know t. And we can't solve it with x. So we have to solve it with y. So we input 30.6 t, subtract because it's falling, therefore it's going down. Subtract 9.81 over 2, which is once again negative, which would be once again 4.905, and t squared. Now, since there are already two t's, you just exit t and t out, and the squared out, so it becomes this. Now, you just subtract 3.06 by each side. So 0 becomes negative 30.6. and equal to negative 4.905 t. Then you divide each side by that, and you get the answer. I didn't have enough room, so I just literally put the answer right here. 6.238 equals t. Next, you just add that put it into the x, because that's the answer we're trying to look for in y. Now we just put it into x, and we get 160.33. Now, you may think we're done now, because, hey, here's the answer, yay! Except we're not. Because this was this. 160 is this area right here. This is the area. But the entirety till the flagpole is actually 170. So what you need to do to find the real answer is subtract 170 from, is just subtract 160.33 by 170. And you get the answer 9.77. And that is the answer to your solution. Have a great day.